Hey, good morning and welcome back to the adventure. Today is Wednesday and I'm in North Alabama visiting family. We've been here about 3 days. Been working in around the yard, cleaning up some things, trying to help out a little bit. And so today I figured I'd take a little bit of a break, jump on the bicycle. Brought the Brompton with me this week. A lot easier to fly with than anything else. And I'm gonna go check out a waterfall. So this road, a little small 2-lane road, I got a little bit of a shoulder on it. Just barely enough for a bicycle to get you off the main pavement there, kind of way out of traffic. Still have to be careful. Speed limit through here I think is 40 miles per hour, but you still have to have your head on a swivel. Cars coming up behind you. They seem to be playing pretty nice. Hopefully that'll continue until I can get to the trail. There is a trail system that runs through here, pedestrian trail system. Once I get to that, get off the main road, things will be better. Okay, finally in the trail system. And I've done this trail before. Oh, crap. I've done this trail before on the Brompton. I'll link the video to that ride probably somewhere on this video if you want to go check that out. Okay, off the trail back on the road. And this is a long downhill to the riverbanks. That only means I gotta come back up it when I come out. So they've paved this since the last time I was down here. I'm hoping that it's open for pedestrian traffic. There was a sign at the front that said authorized vehicles only. I'm on a bicycle and it is paved and there wasn't a gate. So I'm going to the waterfall. Beautiful. pictures of the waterfall. I'm about halfway up the hill, 5 to 6% grade. Whew, and I'm winded. Okay, made it to the top. I gotta go in and just, the gearing on this, I could just barely get it into one. And I had to stop to be able to do that. So probably needs a little adjustment. We'll take care of that probably when we get back home to Texas. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Broadway the duck. I found Broadway in the middle of the road and figured I'd pick him up. Whew, okay, so there you have it. Another ride in the book. And it's getting a little warm here. There's actually a heat advisory out, but I thought I could get out and back before it got too hot. I don't know, it's probably 90 something degrees. And the wind's a little cool, so it's not too bad. But it's definitely hotter than it was when I took off this morning. Again, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Take care.